FSR was founded in 1981. At that time, we were the offshoot of an AV contractor.
There's a need for a company in this area, and so I started FSR. F for Fitzsimmons, S for Sandri, and R for Rodriguez. He was the president of AV Services.
And what's unique about how our company started is right from day one, we were creating solutions to solve problems in the presentation industry.
Our chairman, now Bill Fitzsimmons, was operating the company out of some spare room he had in his house.
It's kind of interesting when I talk about the history of the company because I feel like I'm a newcomer. Many of our employees have been with the company over 30 years. And I've only been with the company about 15 years, and I'm a newcomer. It's interesting that we talk about a global economy. That seems to be a topic that you hear in the news all the time these days. But it's really critically important to the U.S. economy that we build products here. You know, if you look at any economy in the world, the foundation of any monetary system is built on manufacturing. And for the success of the United States and America, it's critical to be a strong manufacturer. And we here at FSR are firm believers in that. We're committed to that process of developing and manufacturing products.
I think it's vitally important that we support the Made in America theme. Our company provides scores of jobs to our community here. Some of our commodity electronic products are now sourced overseas, but the majority of them are still designed and manufactured here, along with all of our metal products.
We have an entire division here to our electronics products. And we build them here, we have the pick and place machines, and every product goes through several sets of tests. We test every board. Every single printed circuit board is tested on its own at the board level. And then it goes upstairs to our test department where it is put in the metal and it is retested again just as the consumer will use it. As our customer will use it, we test it. Then it's repackaged and sent downstairs into inventory. But every single product, it's 100%. We don't believe in random testing. We can do 5 of these out of 100. We test every single product at the board level and at the finished stage.
To talk about the resilience of our company, it's really illustrated in one episode that anybody in the Northeast shudders when they think about it, and that's Hurricane Irene.
During the Hurricane Irene of 2011, we were hit with major flooding on the Passaic River. We sustained a lot of damage. Our first floor had about 5 feet of water in it. And everybody pulled together as a team. I think there was a period of about 6 weeks where we were out in the parking lot every day.
We had all but 4 of our employees, every single employee but 4, show up to clean our plant, to get it back in business. And the following, we worked over a weekend, and the following Monday, FSR was open, and our customers didn't even know that we were closed. And that speaks volumes about the dedication of our employees to our company.
For about 10 hours, 10, 12 hours, just cleaning every tool, every machine, cleaning the basement out, disposing of all the things that could not be salvaged from our basement. We set up shop in another building a couple of miles away. Once we started operations in the other building, we had a big increase in the amount of space we had. All of a sudden we had plenty of room to bring in more machines and expand the business.
Out in the field, we jokingly say the initials FSR stand for family, siblings, and relatives. And although a lot of that is true, we have quite a few relatives, husband and wife teams, parents and children working for our organization. That feeling of family goes beyond that.
I think we're kind of all a family. We support each other through good times and bad, and everybody lends a hand. I don't think that there's anybody here who is not willing to help out, even though it might not be their job. I don't think there's a lot of ego going on here. Everybody pitches in to get the job done.
We work very closely together. It's kind of interesting. I think everybody will share family stories about squabbles we have within our own family, and sure, we have our own squabbles at FSR. But at the end of the day, All our employees are dedicated to providing solutions and solving problems for our customer. And if you look at the quality of our product, it reflects in that dedication and that family feel of our products.
Along with all the quality that we build into our products, I like to take a trip around the country, or as much as I can get to in a given year, and talk directly to both our integrators, our electrical distributors, and our consultants to make sure that what we're designing and what we are building is meeting their needs.
If you look at the products that we offer to the market, the majority of those products were developed in conjunction with our customer base. Engineers, consultants who have come to us and said, you know, we need a solution that provides this for us.
We can't always sit in our engineering department and come up with the best ideas. So to ensure that we're meeting the requirements of our industry, I go out there and I talk to the people and listen, and I ask, where did we miss the mark? Where did we do really well? But how can we improve it so that the product they're getting is exactly what they need?
It's that cohesive effort between us and our customer base that sets us apart from the competition. We provide solutions specifically for our customers and their needs.
We appreciate every one of our customers and every one of our consultants. They're vital. Without them, we don't have a business.
I want our customers to know that we support their success in any way that we can. We're always here to help, and bring us your problems, because when we find solutions to them, they become some of the best products that we provide.